Now we are going to demonstrate the setup of those two functionalities. So first one is about the conversational experience for demand creation that requires Now Assist for platforms, leveraging the conversational capability as part of Now Assist. So we have a video to show you how to set up this.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to set up conversational experiences for demand creation. After installing Now Assist for strategic portfolio management, the conversational experience doesn't automatically show up for your end users. The admin needs to go into Now Assist admin console, which can easily be identified by going and searching for Now Assist admin. Coming here, you can go into Now Assist features, and then you can go into the platform section, wherein you will be greeted with the conversational experience card. Here you can see the different skills that are present as part of conversational experiences. You can view the details. You can go into setup Now Assist in virtual agent, which will take you to a different page. Here you would have to enable Now Assist for virtual agent. You can go into it and you can see the different things that needs to be set up over here. So we can go into Now Assist skills. Here you can see the different skills that are there for virtual agent and you can enable them over here. We are specifically interested in Now Assist multi-turn catalog ordering, which will enable conversational experience for demand creation. Once activating over here, you can go through the other steps such as understanding what are the different information sources that are being used. You can change the branding if needed. You can change the chat experience for your users such as greeting messages, closing messages, and fallback options. You can also change the display location if you want to restrict the display location for this in certain portals and not in the others. You can also activate it for Microsoft Teams or for mobile if that is needed. You can look at a high level overview of what you're activating over here. And once this is activated, you can now go to conversational catalog, simply typing in conversational catalog overview, and you can go over here. So now we've just activated it from the Now Assist admin console. Now we are making sure that creating a new demand is conversational and that there is no issues from in your system. So I'll search for create a new demand. So here you can see my catalog item is create a new demand. And if the status is considered as conversational, it means that it is conversational and the experience is activated for your end users. In certain cases, it may be non-conversational, maybe because of certain customizations that have been done already in this record producer. In that case, going into this will give you the different reasons of why it is not conversational and also give you suggestions in order to make it conversational as well. Here, since it is conversational, we do not see any issues over here. You can look at the different item details. You can go into the actual catalog record, which is the create new demand record producer, and actually modify the questions that you want the user to be asked for. So this is the typical catalog record that is shipped out of the box. And here you can see the different questions that are there out of the box. What is the business justification, risk of performing, risk of not performing, name, and assumptions. This is what we give out of the box, but you as an admin can also add custom questions that you would like to ask. And based on the text that the user inputs in the virtual agent, we will try to use Now Assist in order to match and identify whether we can answer the question from the text itself. Once this is done, and once you have confirmed that it is conversational, and once all the skills have been activated over here in Now Assist multi-turn catalog, now your end users can simply go and start chatting and create a demand using Now Assist. Create a new demand. As creating. And now, as you can see over here, it will recognize that I'm asking for a demand, and it will also recognize that within the text that I've given you, that certain questions can already be answered, and those questions will not be given to the user. So this is how you set up conversational demand experiences for demand creation. Thank you.
Okay, so next we have a demonstration of how to enable the feedback summarization as part of Now Assist.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you the setup process for enabling feedback summarization after installing Now Assist for Strategic Portfolio Management. After installing Now Assist for Strategic Portfolio Management, the feedback summarization doesn't automatically show up for the end users. The admin has to go into Now Assist admin console that you can find in the menu. Go into the Now Assist admin console over here and click on Now Assist features and go into technology, as SPM falls under the technology category. Under technology, if you have installed other Now Assist products such as Now Assist for ITSM, etc., then you can see those in this dropdown. But once you've installed Now Assist for Strategic Portfolio Management, you will see SPM as an option over here. Clicking on SPM will show you this particular card on feedback. You can see the different skills that are available. So you will be able to see feedback summarization. Clicking on view details will take you into activating this particular skill for your end users. Here, you can see the different skills that are there. Right now, there's only feedback summarization. Going into the skills, you will have different options. Here, the main objective of this is to make sure that you as a customer understand what exactly we are using, which data that we're using for enabling this particular skill for the end users. So here you can see from which table we are taking the data from and what are the different fields that we're using in order to give you feedback summarization. So it's crystal clear to you ahead whether you would want to enable the skill and what data that we're using for this. So for feedback summarization, we're using from the feedback table, the fields are name and description. Next, in the next step, you can select where do you want the skill to be displayed from. Feedback summarization is only supported as an in-product skill as of now, and you can enable it or disable it, but that is the only option that is there. After that, you can just review what is about the skill, like how does it work, where does it take the data from in order to do feedback summarization, and where exactly it will be displayed. Once you have reviewed this and you're satisfied that, hey, I can go ahead and enable it for my users, you can simply save and continue. Once that is done, your feedback summarization skill will be activated. You can go back and just to re-verify, you can see over here whether it is active. It means that you have activated your skill. You can also see where exactly it will be enabled in. It will be enabled in product. And you can actually see which LLM service that we're using, and we are using the Now LLM for this particular skill. This is once you've enabled this, now your end users, when they go into strategic planning workspace and they go into the product feedback module and open a particular product feedback, they will start seeing this particular feedback summary card on top of their records, and they can simply click on summarize and get a quick summary and get insights from it. This is how you activate feedback summarization in Now Assist for strategic portfolio management. Thank you.